and welcome to this series on how I started my garden as a first-time gardener with no experience whatsoever. My name is Tope, and in this series I'll be showing you how I started my garden from a blank canvas. I started it from nothing, soon nothing grew. There was some lifting and bending, watering, assisted reproduction, jumping and dancing, and wins. But there were also losses, a few lessons learned. The season ended and overall I have lessons to share with you. I'm excited to share my experience as a first-time gardener and I hope you learn from this series. Guess what? One tomato is growing. I can see the tomato is growing. Ooh la la. Garden update. My potato plants. That one is still very flowery. Still has like a lot of its leaves. But then this one is like nearly dying. So I'm going to harvest this one today. That means it's ready to harvest. I just want to say thank you to myself for believing in me, and thank you to all my fans and supporters for encouraging me and believing in me. I feel made. I'm so happy. Like, I feel like in the next 2 weeks I'll harvest so many tomatoes. Like I have to stock my fridge and probably give some out, because I said freezer because I don't have a very large freezer. Well, yeah, I'm so grateful and excited. Like my first season. Guys, the taste is divine. Yenta. I'm just tasting the tomatoes raw. They're so juicy, amazing. What they say is true. These are some of the scotch bonnets that I harvested. I think I harvested about 3 of this quantity. I harvested most of them green, some red, and they were very peppery, like they were hot, which was good. Considering that I started quite late, I was very pleased with the results, especially because my scotch bonnets had some issues initially. Here I'm just showing you the size of the tomatoes that I got. So this is the small size Roma, and here is the medium sized one, and on the other hand there is a very large one. I got a few of those, and those are sort of like the 3 sizes. For the money maker on this day, this was the large size that I got. This is what it looked like, and in the middle is the middle, like sort of like mid-range size, and on the end there is a small size. But I did get like a few very large ones as well, but I think the Roma ones ended up being much larger, and yeah, you can see just compared. So these are some of the tomatoes from my garden. This is a large bag. This is a large bag. This is a small bag. Well, smaller than these two. And I got, yeah, that much. And then I gave my sister a bag, and we've made like 3 stews, 3 large batches of stew, Nigerian stew with my tomatoes. So I think it was a success this year with the tomatoes. I got a few scotch bonnet peppers, but no bell peppers. They were still growing, but I just cut off the fruits that was growing. But yeah, it's been a good year. I can't wait to see what next year will bring.